Welcome my Simple Stuff followers, I'm back again. So today we're going to solve calculus. It's because someone made a request that we need to do some questions on calculus. So remember, we are solving people's problems here on this channel. Just in case this is the first time you are visiting this channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button and the notification bell, that every time we post a new video, you'll be the first one to be notified. So now let's jump to the screen. Okay, so we are looking at calculus and we have the subtopic which is tangent at the normal. So someone asked this question to say, how can you solve this question? So now the question says, find the equation of the normal to the curve that at the point -1, 2. So now let's see how we can solve. Remember, it's simple stuff. Just in case this is the first time you're watching this video, hit that subscribe button and the notification bell that every time we post a new video, you'll be notified. So now let's jump into solution on how to solve this question. So every time they give you this question, it means that you need to differentiate for you to find the gradient. And the first gradient you are going to find, it will be for the tangent. So now we need to find the gradient for the tangent before we find the gradient for the normal. So now we are saying you get the same equation that you've been given, which is y is equals to x power 3 minus 2x to the power 2 minus 4x plus 1. Now to differentiate this, we are saying you have to say dy dx is equals to differentiate x squared, you have to say 3x to the power 2 minus 2 times 4, 2 times 2, it will be 4x minus 4 if you differentiate for x. When differentiating the constant, you have to get the 0. So now this is what we are getting. Now remember, we've been told that it's at the point 1, 2, which is the value of x and the y as a coordinate. So now here you need to replace wherever there's x, you have to put -1. So we are saying dy dx is equals to 3 open brackets -1 squared minus 4 open brackets -1 minus 4. So this is dy dx is equals to 3, because negative times negative, it's +1, 1 times 3, it's 3, then minus -4 times -1, we're going to have +4, then minus 4, that is just here. Then we are saying this is basically just 3, because we know that this and that is going to subtract and give us 0. So now we are saying the gradient, which is, you say therefore your m1 is going to be 3. Now for you to find the gradient of the normal, now you need to use the concept of the lines of the perpendicular. So you say m1 multiplied by m2 is equals to -1. Remember, we have m1 which is equals to what? 3. Then where there's m1 you have to put 3 and say m2 is equals to -1, which is your m2 is equals to -1/3. Okay, now we know how we find the equation of a straight line. Because the question says find the equation of the normal, so we are finding the equation of a straight line. Now we have the formula for equation of a straight line, which is y minus y1 is equals to m, we're going to use m2 open brackets x minus x1. Now remember the data that we have the m2, which is this one here, and the gradient for x1, we're going to get these points that we've been given here. So we're going to say x1 y1, which will just be the points that you've been given 2. So these are the numbers you're going to replace in the y1 and the x1. Then the gradient m2, it's this one that you've been given. So now we are saying y minus y1. What is your y1? Your y1 is 2, so you put 2 here, is equals to, what is your gradient 2, which is m2? It's -1/3 over x, minus what is your x1? It is -1. Then here you just have to multiply, which is -2 is equals to this times that, it's negative x over 3. Then this is plus, we're going to have plus here, so this times that is going to be minus 1 over 3. Then here you can multiply with 3 throughout the equation just to remove the denominator. So we're going to have 3y minus 6 is equals to negative x minus 1. So we're going to bring it here. Then we are saying like terms, or maybe we just get the 6 on the other side. We're going to have 3y is equals to negative x plus 6 minus 1, which is 3y is equals to negative x plus 5. Then you can divide by 3, divide by 3, divide by 3. And this and that you're going to cancel, remain with y is equals to negative 1 over 3x plus 5 over 3. So this is what is going to be the equation of the normal. So this is how you find the equation of the normal. Thank you for watching. Now on this channel, we solve people's problems. In case you have a challenge, you can drop a comment in the comment section so that we can also solve your challenge. Share, like, and comment. Thank you.